Hello guys. So today we are making an hamburger menu icon, SVG icon animation. So you can use this in your projects. So we have this SVG right here. As you can see, yes, this is. So we'll now animate this like the middle line will fade away, and these are the two lines we will animate it like it will appear diagonally, and we'll disappear this middle one line. So I'll just comment it out, the top line which is horizontal. I will make it diagonal like this. Where is it? Yes, like this. Okay, we'll make it like this, and this is the middle line. So AI is helping us. We'll just it will fade away. Okay, and the bottom line, yes, absolutely. So it will appear like this will fade away, and the top line will animate like this, and the bottom line will animate like this. So it will form like this X. Okay, so for this we gonna use framer motion. So I'll import motion from framer motion. Okay, and now we gonna set two states. As we know, we have states in the React. Import use state from React. We gonna do what will we name it? Menu open const menu open set menu open. Okay, your state will be false. Why is it here? So we will cut paste it here. Okay, so now we can see there is nothing happening over here. We'll add a class name to it, cursor pointer. Yes, cursor pointer is appearing. So first we'll animate this line. So now we're gonna convert this path to motion.paths, and we will add variants. So we can modify these values. So first will be open. It will be an object where we gonna add m5 file 19 and 6. Now 6, now we are 19. Okay, and for closed we'll add each value will be m4 6l20 and 6. Okay, you can after this we'll do animate it is equal to when menu open is true, I will set it open, else it will be closed. And we'll add a little bit of transition it to appear our animation smooth. I'm gonna add a transition of duration of 0.4. You can play around it. You can add 0.4, 0.2, whatever you want. Why is it giving error? Property path and does not try. Okay, we can add it in motion. Okay, yes. So for the middle line, we will add the variants. For this, variants will be easy. So when it opened, we'll just change its opacity to 0, and there is only one object. And when it is closed, we'll set its opacity to 1. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add motion dot path, and we gonna animate. I'll copy this line. Okay, so when it is open, the main open is true, we're gonna open it, so opacity will be 0. When it closed, opacity will be 1. We're gonna do same for the bottom line as well. Open will be, and its value will be m5 19L19 5. When it is closed, the value of d will be m4 18L20 and 18. And I'll just copy paste this line. Sorry, again I forgot to add motion dot path. So now nothing is happening because we didn't add the on click on it. So nothing is happening. For that, we gonna need to add an on click function. So I'll add an on click function here. It will run. When it is run, we gonna set menu open opposite of menu open. So if it is menu open is true, we're gonna set it to false, and if it is false, we're gonna set it to true. So let's check. Yes, I'll zoom in. Yes, as you can see, we can reduce the middle lines duration to 0.2. It's not doing fast. It's perfect. Or you can add a button right here. Button. Well, motion dot button. Motion dot this is which inside a button. The type will be button as well, and we're gonna add this OnClick function on this button. Yes, you can see it's smooth, and you can change this stroke width value to 3 or 4, so it will be a little bit bolder, or you can get like, yes, I've made a separate component for it. You can pass the props like this. I have passed size, toggle theme, I have passed label, so you can add label also. We'll call it right behind this Hamburger button. Yes, here it is. Yes, we can pass the props directly here. I'll pass cursor pointer. Yes, you can see. Okay, so I'll update this code, and I'm gonna paste the link of the source code in the description. Do check out. So if you want it in JavaScript, please let me know in the comments, so I can add one more link in the description. It will be for JavaScript. Thank you for watching till end, guys. Do like, share this video to your React developer, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much.